Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to switch off watermarks on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and let me show you, like in default settings, once you take a photo, it will has the watermark included right here, as you can see, Samsung quad camera. And then if you would like to switch it off, just go to the settings, scroll down, and then just switch off watermark by tapping on this tab. And that's it. Now once you are back and you are grabbing a photo, it has no watermark included. As you can see, this is the previous one right here, and this is the one taken with no watermark. So that would be all. So you can switch off watermark in your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.